Marami tayong nasalanta sa bagyo ngayon and we're really on top of the situation. Ang unang-una is there is a 60-day price freeze on all the basic commodities that we have listed in our memo, no? And aside from this is also strictly monitored, meaning i-check namin ito aggressively, meaning on a day-to-day basis, nagbibigay sila ng update sa amin sa mga supermarkets, grocery, convenience stores, and other areas or other stores na nagbebenta ng mga basic necessities na ito. So this must be strictly followed. So there's a 60-day price increase for the basic necessities that are covered by the areas na kasama